Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, we will be starting with boom 1000, and we will be using the 3M trend Mioka trade indicator to do our analysis right from here. So if you are having, kindly follow up with what I will be saying in this video. Okay, so guys, I will be on 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is 5-minute time frame, and if you should notice, this started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, and of course it has been going down, got to the support zone at the pullback, got to the support zone at the pullback again, and this time around it is still coming down, and of course it will come down till it gets to this region, and once it breaks out below this, then definitely it will be getting here. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500. This had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, and of course after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there. So for now, this is selling at the moment, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, and of course guys, let's check out the next asset, which is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on buy trend after forming this W. It went up and even broke out above this resistance zone, and of course it is still buying at the moment. It is moving towards the next resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It was on downtrend before, but came to an end at this point, and of course gave us a buying opportunity, and right now it is still buying. However, right here is a resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. Then after that, we should be looking at somewhere here as our next TP. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is volatility 75. It had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while, but it went above it at this point. Okay, so it has been buying since then, but right now it has gotten to a new resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go fully into a downtrend. Okay, so you should wait for every necessary signals for you to know if it's really going on downtrend or not. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for long before it to change the direction into a downtrend in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God